Greetings viewers. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to type a program which would display all the positive numbers to the right and all the negative numbers to the left. As usual, you can always try writing the program yourself. Now let us begin. So first we will be defining a list named capital L which would contain random positive and negative integers. Now we have defined a variable n which will contain the length of the list L. Now we will create a for loop from 0 to n-1. Also we wrote n-1 because if we write n then it will display error. Also we create another for loop in range n-i-1 and test that if L square bracket is less than 0 then L bracket x comma L bracket x plus 1 equal to L bracket x plus 1 comma L bracket x. Now we will print the final list is L. Also for comparing we will print the original list. As we run we can see that all the positive numbers are displayed to the left and the negative ones to the right. Hence the program works fine. So if you liked the video then hit the like button and also share it with others. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more.